How to update your profile details in Wise. Whether you're trying to change your phone number, your address, or your email inside of Wise, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Open up the app of Wise and head over to the profile section on the top left of the screen. Once you're inside of the profile section, scroll down and under the settings section, you'll see the option called personal details. You can just tap on this option, and depending upon what you need to change, either you can change your personal information, your email address, or your phone number. Tap on these individual options so that you can add in a new one. If you want to change in your personal information such as your phone number or your date of birth, you can head over to the personal information section and then make changes to this. As I said, you can also make changes to your address, remove the existing home address that you have, and then update to a new one. Once you change all of these settings, tap on Save on the bottom. This way, your personal information along with your details will be updated inside of your Wise account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.